Ayan na mga besh, masyado akong na-excite dito sa long promise topic about making money. Kaya yan, so tinutuloy-tuloy ko siya so we could have chunks of it while I still have the time since I'm also taking care of a lot of things on a day-to-day basis. So there. So we already talked about the proper mindset and our vision boards when it comes to money. So now we can proceed with money practicalities. So how do we really make money? Diba? Yan ang mga basic na katanungan natin. So in schools, we do not usually talk about how we can actually become rich. Diba? Because we are taught in school that we could actually seek a profession. We study hard so we could get a profession and get good jobs so we can be successful in life. So that's basically making ourselves doctors or nurses or engineers, mathematicians, accountants, blah, blah, blah. So basically, we are set to become uh, employees of a particular employer. So basically, well, that is a fulfilling life to live because we have a calling. So if you are actually born to become that kind of professional, you are not in line with basically thinking of becoming the richest individual possible. Because when you are an employee, definitely someone is feeding you the salary, and that's basically it on a scale of an 8-hour time frame uh, for whatever time it consumes for you to be able to fulfill your profession. It could be fulfilling enough for you. So that's basically you can call yourself successful because it makes you a fulfilled individual and it makes you happy. But then again, we are talking about money matters that is blessing you abundantly beyond uh, expectations. So for you to be able to garner that rich status, which is basically 20% of the total population of the entirety of humans existing in the world, how can you actually reach that uh, 20, being on the 20% status, 'di ba? It is through entrepreneurship. Basically, when you are your own boss, you have a better edge or potential on reaching this scale because you become the employer and not the employee. So most of the time, schools do not have this teachings on how to become rich literally, but how to become employers of employees, like I previously talked about. So, entrepreneurship is something that we could actually open ourselves with as adults and teach our kids on how to become one so they have better options if their calling is not is beyond having a particular profession, but their primary goal is to really reach that utmost desire to be rich literally. So there let us teach ourselves and our kids um, their utmost potential on money making through um, opening doors to the realities of being an employer and not just an employee, building an empire or building um, your own company or business in the future. So that's generally one of ways on which you can reach your utmost potential. Apart from you can still fulfill your duties on your chosen profession and have a side business or be self-employed as you go through fulfilling your task as an employer, and also reaching your goal to have a different edge on making more money. So that is our lesson for today. It's on entrepreneurship and having an additional source apart from fulfilling your own set of profession that is your medium for your personal success. So there. So we'll talk more about money and how we can actually gain more money in my next series of videos. So thank you so much for watching. Let's make better use today so we can create better todays so we can shape better tomorrows. You have yourself a wonderful day. Bye.